If you're experiencing billing issues with your Google account, follow these steps to resolve them effectively. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your payment method. Log into your Google account and navigate to the Payments and Subscriptions section. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. If necessary, update or add a new payment method. Step 2. Review transaction history. In the same Payments and Subscriptions section, review your transaction history for any discrepancies. Look for unauthorized charges or missed payments that could be causing the issue. Step 3. Update billing information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, update your billing information. Make sure your address, card number, and expiration date are accurate to avoid payment failures. Step 4. Contact Google Support. If the issue persists after checking your payment method and transaction history, reach out to Google Support. Use the Help Center to find the appropriate contact options, such as chat or email support. Step 5. Monitor your account. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your account for any further billing problems. Regularly check your payment methods and transaction history to ensure everything remains in order. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing problems on your Google account. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Google Support.